Why are you bored? Odisha is very very far. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a vlog of a recent trip I made from Hyderabad to Bhubaneswar by road, and I avoided eating outside. I traveled with a kid for a long 1300 kilometers. So in today's video I'll tell you tips and tricks to travel with a kid in times of corona and this pandemic. Like always, I'll also share some interesting meal plan options. I hope you will enjoy this journey with us. In order to avoid making this video too long, I have split it into part 1 and part 2 of this journey. I hope you enjoy traveling with us. Subscribe.
It's 6. We are starting now. We had thought of we'll start by 5, but it's late, we know.
Hi guys. We have just started. It's exactly 6:05 from Nalagandla in Hyderabad. So let's see what are the formalities, how we go about it. Let's wait and watch. So we have already hit the infamous outer ring road in Hyderabad. We are taking we are taking the route towards Vijayawada because we'll be halting at Vizag as planned.
We are going to Odisha.
Sun is rising. Okay, so we have hit the NH 65, and we are following the Vijayawada route. So it took almost 40 minutes to hit the NH, and let's see in how much time do we reach Vijayawada. देखो देखो ये बदमाश को देखो. Look at this boy. He says that. So which is your bed? Show. Which one? This is your bed. Show your pillow. And which is your seat? So he has two designated places for himself. What is that? Wow. First susu break we have taken. So, and look at Uno. He's eating his breakfast himself. Bread jam. So guys, we have drove around 150 kilometers और अभी we have taken a short breakfast break जहाँ हम लोग थोड़ा sunlight भी आ रहा है and घर से जो पैक करके लाए थे we are going to eat. So Vijayawada is around 100 or 110 kilometers from here. Time is around 9:20. So थोड़ा थोड़ा ब्रेक ले लेके बच्चे के साथ it's taking some time, but it's a really nice place and there's nobody around. Absolutely दूर दूर तक कोई नहीं है.
Manisha has already started eating it. What we have? Wow.
Aloo curry and these laddus which I prepared almost 2 to 3 days back. So I hope this will last for a couple of hours.
Okay, let's enjoy.
So टाइम हो रहा है अभी 10 बज रहा है एंड वी आर एंटरिंग आंध्र प्रदेश. एंड यहाँ पे मैंने एक साइन बोर्ड देखा विच सेड वेलकम टू एपी. सो आई थिंक कोई चेक पोस्ट अभी तक आया नहीं है. सो लेट्स सी. आई टेल यू द एंटायर प्रोसीजर. सो वी आर एंटरिंग आंध्र प्रदेश. So this is the same GMR Hyderabad Vijayawada Expressway. We are at the toll. So maybe we entered it some time back, 15 to 20 minutes back, and they asked us where we are going, and seeing our car registration is from Odisha, there was some minimal checking and they let us go. Till now they have not asked for any pass or anything as such.
कौन सा जाऊँ से डकुरा?
Duck.
Duck.
Right, see, there's a very big Hanuman statue. Just while we are entering the Vijayawada, we saw this.
So we lost a lot of time in this Vijayawada bypass Elluru road. So the Google Maps is showing you two routes, and one is a very longer route which it is avoiding, but on the other route there's a road closure. So we had to traverse a lot of way, and then it's quite confusing in between. So my tip would be to follow the signboards on the road and ask the locals and not trust the Google Maps all the time. Okay, so the big I don't know whether I will post this or not, but the biggest challenge is that during these times you are not it's not safe to use public bathroom. So 1.5 घंटे से I wanted to pee and I have been waiting to pee. Finally I am done with lot of adjustments
I want.
in some place.
I want.
I don't know. So, you know, for boys it's okay, for my son it's okay, but for us, I'll post this I think now.
Hi guys, it's around 2 and we have crossed Edur. Now we have stopped, I don't know this place, we have stopped at a place on the highway to have our lunch. In lunch we have this, what do you call this? Puliora. And Uno has already done his lunch. He is sleeping. And we have this aloo zira masala. So we'll have the lunch and we'll head towards Vizag.
So we are done with our lunch and we did our lunch in the car somewhere on the
Yes.
Elluru bypass, and it's very
हाँ,
hot outside.
Next जोड़ी तो
So
सोई क्यों थी वो ना?
let's see
पेट्रोल
कब तक
पंप में
वाइजैक
सब दिन
पहुंचते हैं.
Sorry.
हाँ, कौन न खाइलू पुतनालू आओ किचू मिचू आओ. What is that? Makhana? What else? Almonds? Okay. So Vishakhapatnam is still 260 kilometers and it has started raining, and let's see how many hours we take. Time is now 3:30, so 4 more hours I think. Let's see. Suddenly after chai wai pee के बड़ी गर्मी लग रही थी and we got into the car and it has got this beautiful and it rained heavily and it has stopped now, and the roads here are the countryside roads are so beautiful, so much greenery you can see. So much greenery and you can see my baby also enjoying. It's beautiful. So the beautiful Godavari, we just entered East Godavari, 3:45. The beautiful Godavari. I wanted to stop here, but it's raining a lot, and I cannot take my baby out in the rain. Beautiful Godavari. What did you wish? What Magilu? Car. Which color? Okay. Godavari will give you car. Okay. Rajmundry cross kiya. We have crossed Rajmundry sometime back around 4:45-5. Now it's around 5:15, and we got this fresh on the roadside near the Godavari banks from the farms. So it's, let me taste. How is it? 6:30 p.m. or I have seen, although my Google Map says I'm 120 kilometers away from my destination, around 120, but यहाँ पे मैंने एक बोर्ड देखा which told me that welcome to Visakhapatnam district. So finally we reached Vizag. 8:15 हो रहा है, but our hotel is on the beach तो मोस्टली और भी हाफ एन आवर लगेगा टू क्रॉस दिस. So tip would be, if you are not traveling with kids or are not extra finicky to stay somewhere, then you can go and check hotels there. Finally, we are entering the property. This is the park Vishakhapatnam, and the time is 9. So we entered this place थोड़ी देर पहले. खाना वाना खा लिया, थोड़ा फ्रेशन अप हो गए. रात के 10 बज रहे हैं. So they have given us an upgrade to a suite, and they have pretty much sanitized everything. So it's a nice room, cozy room, and this is the bedroom. And I have personally seen that they are sanitizing everything, and this has a beach view which I cannot show you at night. So let me just crash and start my journey tomorrow morning.